Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the floor plan of a one bedroom, one bed apartment here. In this video we will discuss about the spaces, the arrangement of the spaces, the circulation of a floor plan. Here we can enter to apartment from here. Here is a foyer. So from foyer we can go to a kitchen. Here is kitchen with a living spaces, the sitting spaces with the dining table for a four-person. So from here we can go through this passage to a bedroom. So here is bedroom with the closet for clothing. So here we can enter to a bath. Here is a vanity with the shower. So from here we can go out to terrace. Here is a sitting spaces with the fireplace. So if we see the dimension of this apartment, here is 3.97 meter, 1.4 meter, 0.8 meter, 2.7 meter, 2.8 meter, 1.5 meter, 3.48 meter, 1.10 meter, 4.06 meter, 4.45 meter. So if we see the 3D of this apartment, here is a very interesting 3D. So we can enter to apartment from here. Here is a kitchen with the dining space. Here is a living space. So from here we can go through to enter to a bedroom. Here is a bedroom with the closet. Here is a toilet. From here we can go out to a terrace. Here is a sitting space with the fireplace. So here is interesting 3D. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next video. Have a good day, dear. Thanks again.